go shorty, it's your birthday. We go party like it's your birthday. We go sip a party like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, 'cause that's your birthday.
So this is what I got. Okay, so I just decided to try to customize it a little bit because, you know, it just didn't come as I had expected it, but it's okay. So I just decided to go ahead and start working with it. I'm just showing you the company that I bought this unit from and all the goodies that it came with. It did come with a wig cap and a headband and some little hair jewelries, and it was a nice packaging. I really enjoyed it. So I curled the hair up with my flat iron. I did want to point out that there were a lot of loose hairs, you know, on the top, on the side. A lot of short hairs. That's what I really meant to say. A lot of short hairs on the top and the side, and that's pretty much what I'm showing you right now. Kind of wasn't expecting that, you know, considering the price I paid. So, but it's, you know, I can work with hair. I can work with hair, so I just decided to do that. And so, you know, this is my birthday hair, so I really, you know, wanted to get really excited about it and really wanted, you know, to look really nice on my birthday, like every woman wants. So I decided to use my wax stick, and I decided to try to tame some of those short hairs. After that, I kind of wrapped my hair up, you know, after I had curled it, like in some fake me out pin curls, if you know what I mean, so I can get ready and do my makeup. So here I am, of course, showing you the wig, the inside of it. It is a closure. I decided to add my foundation and powder to it so it can match my skin tone, of course. And so let's put this baby on, and that's what I'm doing right now. All right, I took out my fake me out pin curls, and so I'm just taking that out right now. And I decided to add some concealer to my part, just to make it look a little bit more realistic, you know. And I sprayed my top down because of some of those short hairs that I mentioned earlier. And I sprayed a little bit on the front, you know, combed out the curls that I had curled earlier. I did have a lot of shedding, but this is my birthday picture. This is how I looked. I think I looked really nice and pretty. And thank you so much for joining me. All right, take care. Bye.